Welcome to Winnie Luna Nahyal Eduk channel on mathematics and other related topics. For this video, we have this problem. X raised to x equals 4 raised to x plus 16. Our goal is to determine the value of x such that this equation holds. For the solution, we copy first the original equation. Then we have applied one of the laws of exponent here. That law a raised to m plus n equals a raised to m times a raised to n. So this one is broken. You have this. You have broken this one or transformed this into this one this equivalent. So you have 4 raised to x times 4 raised to 16. And after that, we multiply both sides of the equation by 1 over 4 raised to x so that all the factors with the variable x are on the left side of the equation. So this becomes, you can cancel this one. So what is left at the right is 4 raised to 16. And you will have at the left, you multiply x raised to x to once, you will get x raised to x over 4 raised to x. Then you apply another law of exponent, this one, a raised to m over raised to m, because this one is, from here, it is x raised to x over 4 raised to x. So applying this one, you have this form at the left side. X over 4, their quotient is raised to x. So that is just the same as x raised to x over 4 raised to x. There is a purpose why we are doing this one. So next, we have to raise both sides by 1/4. 1/4 because we want to transform both sides of the equation into equal form of similar forms. So we can apply one of the laws of the exponents. So you have this one. We have to apply another law in which a raised to m and that power is raised to another power n, that is just the same as, or that is equal to a raised to m times n. So you have to recall that this equation is raised to 1/4. So this left side is raised to 1/4 and right side is raised to 1/4. So what you will get here, this is x over 4, then 16 times 1/4. So you will get x over 4, then 16 over 4, that is 4. Now you see that our our left side, this one, x over 4, is of similar form to the power, which is x over 4. So we can equate x over 4 to 4. Okay? Because this one also, x over 4 is equal to the base 4. So we have this one, x over 4 equals 4. Solving for x, we get 16 because you simply multiply this one. So our x in the given equation is equal to 16. Let's check. Okay, so 16 raised to 16 equals 4 raised to x plus 16. Substituting x by 16, you will get 32 for the power at the right side, and for the left, this 16 can be written as 4 squared. So applying in law of exponents, This is a power. This is raised to the 16, raised to 16. So you have to multiply the power. So 2 times 16, that is 32. So both sides are the same. They are the same. So this is the overall solution of the problem. Thank you for following.